Well, why I'm choosing to film the first-person video. In the digital era, as you can see, people like to record their own experiences in the thousands of places worldwide. Visuals are the strongest tool we must use to engage our audiences, and people can know me briefly just from a visual view. Moreover, visuals tell the story in their tone. This can break through the language, culture, and location barriers. They create a connection with anyone who watching at this moment and potentially drive more people to explore the new things and places. Meanwhile, it can stimulate the memories of previously experienced people as well. That is the reason I choose to produce the first-person video. Recording the first person was a great challenge to me, and I faced two major factors among the various issues. One of the concerns is the lack of creativity, as I record almost the same elements, as every single video's content are similar each other. Therefore, one of the impact is the video has the low interaction rate. Sometimes even no interaction after 24 hours of the video submitted. Another factor is the negative feedback on my videos. As I send the video links to social media, like I send a link to stories on Instagram or Snapchat, some people reply the story directly like, "I'm going to give you dislike. Your videos looks shit. No one likes it." Sometimes I can even see these kind of unfriendly comments below my video. Sometimes the comments are suspended for review. Those are the problems I've suffered in the past 6 to 7 years in the first-person visual production. As I wanted to attract more audience and to get positive response, I knew I must change my creative style. Many of my past videos are normally travel vlogs, like recording my journey on the aircraft or a 10K running race record. Initially, I put the footage like I was invited to visit the cockpit after landing and my selfies to bring my spots to my videos. But this is not enough. I decided to make changes on my YouTube channel and to explore the documentaries furtherly. Like I was in Kenya at the beginning of January 2025 and record various wildlife footages and send them to my channel, which then I got the really positive response. Besides this, I decided to film the historical place, and this place has a high cultural value in the UK as well. Therefore, I chose York City in the north of England. To explore the place I have never been there before and to find historical features on the ruins, buildings or museums, I viewed the various information online about York, like Viking occupation period, the Middle Age, early modern, and after World War II. To enhance the effect, I decided to chat with the person who is professional about the history of York, which means this person works in the York Archaeology Organization and he is a specialist in the history of York. This gives the historian's point of view of the history of York, and I filmed the places according to this person described. As a further step, I believe this unique visual can improve my first-person editing in the future and attract more audience around the world. Despite this being a challenging way to create, it still can improve my content creation skills in a huge extent.